Welcome back, everyone, and today we're gonna be working on closing up everything, wrapping up a lot of our stuff. We got a punch list here that we're gonna be trying to get knocked out, at least on the inside of the house. We made a little bit of progress. Let me show you what we've got so far and let you know where we're at. All right, we got the copper ran. You can see it's back there. It's hard to see, but we've got it's insulated coming up. Got our overflow for our drain, and we still have to sweat the copper here. But this is our this big line here, the one that's insulated. That's our condensate line. This is our compressed gas line, and there's the return air plenum. We've still got to block it up and seal it. And you can't really see much in there, it's too dark. But it sits there in the return air opening, and we'll fasten that in there, and the return air grill will go on top of that, and that way we're not sucking air from inside the cavity. We're only coming through the vent and through the filter. Okay, so I know I'm going to get the hate mail. People are going to complain about I didn't wear a mask when I was cutting the fiberglass, and well, yeah, you're right. I should have wore a mask while cutting the fiberglass, but I didn't have one, so I didn't. It's done. But, and then there's going to be some HVAC guys going to say, oh, that's not how you're supposed to do that. And I'm okay with that too. They're not here. It's good enough. What was there before didn't even have the return air plenum, so I figure this is an upgrade. So I'm not going to worry about it. It's good enough. And sometimes good enough is good enough. So as always, if you like what you see, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. And we'll see you next time.